Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Military Stage channel. This is a Ukrainian T-84 Oplot tank, Ukraine's most modern tank that was temporarily deployed for combat operations in the Kharkiv region while waiting for Western tanks to arrive. The T-84 Oplot is an upgraded version of the Russian T-80 MBT developed and manufactured in Ukraine. It is considered one of the world's most modern MBTs with advanced features such as a more powerful engine, better armor, and improved fire control system. Developed by the Kharkiv Morozov Machine Building Design Bureau in the early 1990s, it was designed to combat ground-based as well as low-flying, low-speed aerial targets while providing superior protection and high mobility for ground forces. But in this video, we will not be talking about the T-84 Oplot, but rather the T-84 Oplot-M, also known as the BM Oplot, an improved variant of the T-84 Oplot MBT. The T-84 Oplot-M is Ukraine's latest main battle tank. While it hasn't seen combat service in the Ukrainian military, the type contains many advanced features, but the Oplot is hardly a clean slate design. In many ways, it is simply a highly advanced version of the T-80U main battle tank, one of the most lethal tanks the Soviet Union produced. The Oplot-M main battle tank was designed and developed by Kharkiv Morozov Machine Building Design Bureau for the Ukrainian Armed Forces. It is manufactured by Malyshev Plant, a military equipment manufacturer operating as a subsidiary of state-owned entity Ukrbоронпром. The MBT is a combat tracked vehicle that can destroy ground-based and low-flying, low-speed aerial targets while offering superior protection and high mobility for troops. The first Oplot-M took 3 months to build and was shown for the first time publicly in 2009. Ukraine originally ordered 10 of these tanks, but this time, the deal was cancelled altogether. The tank was then shown to potential foreign buyers in 2011 at the IDEX Expo in Abu Dhabi with a $4.9 million USD price tag per vehicle, and this is where Thailand began to take an interest in the tank. In September 2011, Thailand ordered 49 Oplot tanks to replace its aging M41 Walker Bulldogs in service. These tanks were referred to as Oplot-T and had only small differences compared to the original. They received tropics-grade air conditioning and some smaller internal system modifications. The 51-ton Oplot-M should be seen as a serious MBT, and it is heavily armed and armored. The tank has a conventional layout with the driver's compartment at the front, fighting compartment in the middle, and engine at the rear, while it can accommodate a crew of 3. It is equipped with a new generation of duplet built-in explosive reactive armor, which can protect the vehicle from tandem warheads. Additionally, the MBT is fitted with a SH-Tora countermeasure system, which reduces the hit probability of an enemy anti-tank guided weapon system with semi-automatic guidance. The tank is well armed with a KBA-3 125mm smoothbore gun, a KT 7.62 coaxial machine gun, and a KT 12.7 anti-aircraft machine gun. The main gun is fed by a loading system equipped with conveyor, automatic loader, and control system. The ammunition includes high-explosive fragmentation, armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot, high-explosive anti-tank and gun mount rounds. The main gun can also fire a laser-guided missile against battle tanks, armored vehicles, and hovering helicopters within the range of 5,000 meters. The missile can be fired on the move against traveling targets. The tandem warhead fitted on the missile can defeat targets equipped with explosive reactive armor and advanced spaced armor. T-84 and T-90M both have similarly firepower, but under local designations. However, the gun elevation, depression of T-84 is overall better than T-90M, and the same it goes for the autoloader, since T-84 autoloading mechanism is little bit faster than T-90M. More to added, the T-84 cannon looks like upgraded outdate design, but nothing major like the 2A46M of the T-90M. And it's easy to tell that they are almost the same, except that T-90M got modern APFSDS, so that'll be T-90M superior in firepower, but the rounds are interchangeable. The protection system integrates passive armor and utilizes a new welded turret. In addition, it has Duplet era, which is the redevelopment of the Cactus K6 era, slightly superior to the Relict era. And it has a smoke screen and a soft kill APS, which is outdated. It has excellent mine protection, NBC system. The front turret and hull armor are excellent by today's standards. The side has a massive chunk of duplet layered together, laser warning receiver with target acquisition and projectile detections. According to the producer, the Duplet era should protect it against large guided missiles such as TOW-2 and Milan, 125mm heat shells, 120mm and 125mm subcaliber kinetic shells. Whether that is true or how much of that is realistic has never been proven. The tank is, however, also protected from NBC threats and is equipped with the Varda Soft Kill APS and the Zaslon Hard Kill APS. Oplot-M is powered by a 6TD2 multi-fuel, 6-cylinder, liquid-cooled diesel engine which delivers a maximum power of 882 kW. The engine provides a maximum on-road speed of 70 km per hour and a range of 500 km with additional fuel tanks. The battle tank is also equipped with a diesel-electric auxiliary power unit to supply power to onboard systems when the main engine is turned off. Oplot-M is equipped with torsion bar type suspension. Either side of the 6 dual rubber tiered road wheels are provided with idler at forward, drive sprocket at the rear, and track support rollers. An inbuilt motion control system enables automatic shifting of the transmission system and smooth turning capability. The first, second, and sixth road wheel stations are fitted with hydraulic shock absorbers. The tank can negotiate a gradient of 32 deg and side slope of 25 deg. Equally, the tank can ford a depth of 1.8 meters without preparation and a water depth of 5 meters using deep water fording equipment. A basic variant of the T-84, designation Object 478-7, a variation of the Object 478-2, performed at around the same level as Russia's export T-90S. If the Ukrainian-era systems hold up to their claims, the BM Oplot would be a rough equivalent for any tank Russia can field. The independent commander thermal sight gives better situational awareness than a standard T-72B3, T-90A, or even the T-80BVM, Russia's take on T-80 modernization. Recent tanks such as the T-90M or the proposed T-72B3M might match the BM Oplot in capability, and the new T-14 Armata almost definitely surpasses it. While the BM Oplot might be better than Russia's line tanks, the tiny numbers in service render its advantages irrelevant. The T-84's poor performance at Strong Europe 2018 may also cast doubt on the quality of Ukrainian sights versus modern Western tanks. And that's our discussion in this video about the Ukrainian T-84 Oplot-M or BM Oplot tank. If there are any mistakes in the submission or presentation of information in this video, we can discuss it together in the comments column below this video. We hope you enjoy this video and see you in the next video.